What if I told you the world's first programmable machine wasn't a computer, but a musical instrument? And it was invented over 1,000 years ago by three brilliant brothers in Baghdad? Let's dive into the incredible story of the Banu Musa brothers back in the 9th century. During the Islamic Golden Age, three siblings Jafar Muhammad, Ahmad, and Al-Hasan inherited a fortune from their father, a former highwayman turned astronomer. Instead of spending it on luxuries, they dedicated their lives and wealth to knowledge. They established a library in Baghdad, second only to the legendary House of Wisdom, and sponsored scholars from all over the world. Their most famous work is the Book of Ingenious Devices. This wasn't just a collection of ideas. It was a practical manual filled with over 100 inventions. Imagine self-operating fountains that changed patterns, a flute player that was actually a programmable robot, and even a gas mask for workers in polluted wells. These weren't just toys. They were engineering marvels that laid the groundwork for modern automation and robotics. Think about it, 1,000 years before the Industrial Revolution, they were building machines that could perform complex tasks on their own. But their genius wasn't limited to mechanics. The Banu Musa brothers were also exceptional mathematicians. They were among the first to move beyond the classical Greek methods, exploring concepts like the trisection of an angle and the measurement of the sphere and cylinder. Their work on geometry was so advanced that it influenced European mathematicians for centuries to come. They essentially took the theoretical knowledge of the ancient Greeks and turned it into practical, problem-solving science. Perhaps their most ambitious project was an attempt to measure the Earth's circumference. Under the Caliph's patronage, they sent two teams of astronomers into the desert. One team walked north and the other south, measuring the distance until they saw a 1-degree change in the star's altitude. Their final calculation was astonishingly close to the actual circumference of the Earth, off by less than 1%. It was a monumental achievement in geodesy that demonstrated their mastery of both astronomy and mathematics, from programmable machines to incredibly accurate measurements of our planet. The Banu Musa brothers were true visionaries. They showed the world what happens when wealth, passion, and intellect come together. Their legacy is a powerful reminder that the seeds of our modern technological world were planted centuries ago by minds ahead of their time. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dives into hidden history. See you next time.